Hey guys, how's it going? KW from KW Hotels. We are here at a Staybridge Suites and IHG Hotel near King of Prussia, Pennsylvania, and near Wilmington, Delaware. Not sure exactly where we are right now, but you'll see it in the description and the title of this video. So anyway, we have a studio suite. And it is a ADA room because that's all they had. And there's a bunch of interesting details about my stay here that I'll get into during this video. Further ado, let's take a tour of this room. Here is the map of the hotel, safety map. Do not disturb sign. Staybridge Suites, show the logo. Deadbolt. This lock right here, good security. We got a fridge. Almost a full size fridge, I would say. Nice and clean. We got a microwave. See, the microwave's clean. Microwave's clean. We got a stove top. We got a sink with a garbage disposal and a dishwasher. This is an extended stay hotel. We got dishes, toasters, and I just realized that this is broken right here. So that's cool. Okay. Did not know that was broken. Right here, we got a desk, lamp, outlets, phone, a little thing here with some coffee, light, good stuff, place to put your keys. We got a thermostat, P-Tech unit right there. We got some ottomans to kick back your feet up and relax. We got a sofa bed. It is a sleeper sofa, so you can sleep more people in here if you wanted to. This is good. We got our 43-inch Samsung TV, 40-inch Samsung TV. With my Roku plugged into it. We got a VCR, old Zenith VCR DVD combo, which does work if you want to watch a VHS or a DVD. Our GEP tech lamp. Got a queen bed. The linens feel nice. The bed is clean. Got a mirror. What's up? Nightstand on each side. The clocks are on that side. And we got outlet right there to charge your stuff. Older style phone. Here's the address if you want to stay at this hotel. If you guys can see that. Here's our bathroom area. Here's our sink. Dishes and stuff. Looks good here. So guys, towels. Here's our closet. Pull out sofa linens. Laundry basket iron. And no ironing board apparently. That's weird. They don't give you an ironing board, which is fine with me because I'm only here for one night. Here's the bathroom area. Toilet. Shower. Got a little crack right there in the shower wall. Not that big of a deal. And the caulking's off a little bit right there, but not looking too shabby though. The caulking's not too bad. It's just a little stuff. Just a little thing like that, but not that big of a deal. The tub is clean. Shower head's a little bit grimy, but I will gotta say, this room is clean. And so, and here's the cons with this hotel is, they are doing their hot breakfast here, which is nice. We got two windows by the way, and a view of the parking lot That's our view. But yeah, they're doing their hot breakfast open back up. I just got here today, so I'm gonna see how that is. I'm ready for the hot breakfast. And they did have a dinner when I got here, which I did not know about, which was pretty good. They had pizza, cheese pizza and pepperoni pizza, complimentary, and they had beer and wine. They had Coors Light and Yingling on tap. All you can eat, all you can drink. They had really good cookies. So it's nice that they do the dinner thing here. I'm happy to see that. And that's where it ends with all the good stuff, this hotel. So the dinner, I like you did that. The staff, let me say, is really nice. Friendly staff. For a person that checked me in and just from walking around the property, they're always asking me, how my day's going. So really nice staff. They'll get good service if you decide to stay here. So the cons with the hotel, kind of stain on the carpet. And you guys can't smell it, but there is a faint cigarette smell in this room. And I went to go see if they can switch me. Now I paid with my employee rate from work, and they're not gonna, and they're all out of studio rooms, and you just have 1 bedrooms, and they're not gonna switch me to a 1-bedroom suite because they can get more money for that, which I get. The cigarette smell is not that big of an inconvenience, but something to note. Shouldn't be here, but they handled it good. Yeah, just except for the little stains on the carpet and the light cigarette odor, the room is clean. I will give them that. Another thing to note is, if you're going to come here just for the pool, do not. They feature outdoor pool, and that's what I was looking forward to using until I saw the water was all foamy and cloudy and dirty. I was just looking over at the pool, and the front desk lady came over, just looking, staring over the fence with me. I was like, does that water look dirty to you? And she's like, yep, the owners know about it. They're not going to, the owners don't want to fix it. So it seems like the owners are just being cheap and don't want to fix their pool. It's been like that for a while, apparently. So if you want to come here for the pool, don't, because there's something wrong with it and the water's dirty. They do have a nice lounge area outside with a gazebo with 2 grills if you want to grill out, and a fire pit to go chill, which is nice. I like that. So, other than, the light smoke smell in the room and the pool mishap, this is not a bad property. Now, I only paid $75 with employee rate, and if you're looking to go book it with a regular rate, you're looking at probably like $156. So take that as you will. I'll show the logo again here. He showed the logo. Things still pictures for the thumbnail. But if you're looking for extended stay option, as long as the room doesn't smell like smoke a little bit, everything is clean. It's nice that they give you the dinner and the beer and stuff, and they're doing a hot breakfast. So, if you're ever up in this area and you're looking for extended stay hotel or crash somewhere for the night, I could say this place, the Staybridge Suites, could be your place. Just not if you're looking for the pool. Hopefully the owners do fix that. But other than those little cons, I don't think we're doing too bad here. Could have been a lot worse. And yeah. If you ever come up in this area, which I'll link what area we are in the description and the title of the video. Yeah, you come up in this area. Yeah, the Staybridge Suites and IHG Hotel could be your place. And if If you guys like what you see, please share and subscribe. And with that all being said, that is it. KW out.